Hello, today I'm going to be bringing you the information on our newly traded 2006 Sea Ray 195 Sport. This boat does have an incredibly large extended swim platform, giving protection and coverage over the outdrive. One of the unique design features of this model when it came out was on most sun pads you can only access the sun pad from inside the cockpit. Sea Ray had the gullwing door built so that way you can actually get to your storage on both the port and starboard side, as well as access the engine compartment from both inside or outside of the boat. Moving forward into the 195, it gives you a very comfortable full bench in the rear, 2 rotating captain's chairs, removable sun pads, gunnel storage on both sides. This boat was upgraded with JL audio. You have a depth meter, tack, speedometer, and all of your standard gauges. The boat does have a tilt steering wheel, dry storage underneath the helm, as well as underneath the companion seat. Access to the Fusion stereo is through a lockable glove box. The boat does have a closed walk-through windshield. You also have access to 3 independent cushioned and backed seating. It gives you finished interior storage as well as anchor locker below with a locking cushion. You have removable carpeting and easy access to a large ski locker. This boat, the ski locker goes though forward to the walk-through on the front of the boat. The boat has a full-size bimini, comes with a trailer, and is available today at Baldridge Marina, MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia.